Tonight I'm playing at Pacific Northwest Airsoft. We're going to be playing at dark. It's going to get pretty interesting. Hope you enjoy the video. First game, it was fairly light out, so it's kind of normal gameplay. It's just force on force for the first game.
I was surprised. No count or anything. Yeah.
Time to head down to get reloaded for the second game. It's starting to get dark now. Now it's time for the second game. This game involved a bomb. The objective of this game was to be the first team to arm the bomb and then defend it until it goes off. If the other team disarms it before it goes off, then they win the game.
Out in the open like this?
No, that's the thing. That's the whole thing. It makes it difficult because you gotta get where the lights are. So your whole team, you guys gotta stay coordinated, talk to each other. You know.
So we get one medic. So we get one medic.
You can receive one medic. Give as many as you want. Yeah. The hardest part. So to arm the bomb is gonna be easy. You're just gonna have to push the button. Yeah. It's the disarming.
Yeah.
So whoever arms it.
Seconds.
Yep. You guys are pretty fucking. You know, you guys are probably gonna win. That's who's gonna win. That's.
Nice. Good job. There's a guy in that structure right there. You want a medic? I can get a medic. I can medic you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tango down.
Got him.
Tango down.
Got him. Go, go. Cover me. Hit!
Woohoo! Looks like we did it. My team wins the first bomb game.
Just bow.
Good job, dude. I think you died for the dude. Thomas is the savior. He died to save us all.
It's the third and final game. This is the second bomb game. I get to change teams since somebody dropped out. Now I'm on the team I just fought against. Interesting enough. This means I get to go up the hill again, fighting uphill, which is fine because I'm kind of fit anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Tango down.
Sounds good. Laying down cover.
Tango down.
Hey, cover. What's that? What do you say? Okay. Who armed it? Us? Yeah. Lay some cover for me. I'm going to try and get across.
Wasn't me.
Right now we got a guy flanking up the left side, and we got our machine gunner positioned in the center, so we can lay down any cover fire we need. I am trying to get over to the right side so I can get in a good position to get to the bomb and disarm it.
I want to try and go for the bomb. You want to do something to distract or lay cover fire?
Yeah, I'm over here at market. I can push up to that wood wall right in front of me so we can try and make a play.
Let me know.
I'll stay up top with my flashlight on. Roger. Whenever you guys are ready.
3, 2, 1. Disarm!
Looks like we managed to do it. Managed to sneak in there and disarm that bomb. My team wins the third game. Couldn't have done it without
Radio go.
all of us working
Oh, that's
together
right, go.
to achieve this goal.
As soon as you disarmed it, I ran out of ammo.
Nice.
Magazine.
Perfect timing.
That was good. Like I see you go up there and I'm like, you guys, you gotta give us some cover. Well, we
Yeah,
were talking on the radio, coming up with
Yeah.
a plan, and we're like, if we're gonna do this, we gotta coordinate.
I just went 3, 2, 1, and I just went.
He just went 3, 2, 1. He went in front of me. I went across him and just fucking sprayed. That was good. Got the key.
Yeah.
I do have the key. Where's your radio?
He's got it.
Okay.
I just dropped it when I was laying down there.
Just keeping track of the items I gave you.
Yeah.
It's like, do we have it in hand? This is gonna be the new 19. Oh yeah, dude. Those are fucking awesome. What, first? I mean, we keep those lights up. Actually, what's this? Don't come back. Oh, we're definitely gonna do. We're gonna do those lights on Halloween, but we're gonna try to cover them up so they're red. I want to string blacklight LEDs down.
Well, that's a wrap on what was probably
Oh, dude, it's gonna be fun.
one of the
Like a
funnest
Monster Mash.
times I've played Airsoft.
Oh, Monster Mash. Get some speakers in there.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Costumes mandatory.
I want to get some bright spotlights that we can put up in the trees. There's like hella like, downcast on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
I want to try to figure out how we can get it lit up for a Halloween game here. We got 2 months, so I got some time to plan.
AJ's got heck of a generator.